Okay, so this is to look at the microscopy of the eye and knowing what the path of light is. You'll notice that over here on the left we have a cutout of the eye. The eye first has to hit the cornea. Then it makes its way through the pupil and then the lens. I think I got that backwards in your Google count. But you can just switch lens and pupil. But then it gets shown to the back of the eye, and the back of the eye has what we call the retina in red that you see right there, and that is what has all the microscopic cells. But just for good orientation, not bad to know that you have retina, then choroid, which is in black, then white is the sclera. So from outside, sclera, choroid, retina. From inside, retina, choroid, sclera. All right? But our focus is going to be right here on the retina. The bovine eye, which is pretty much self-explanatory. All right. So in a cartoon right here, we're taking this little swath of cells right here, and I think I'll use green, hope it shows up. So light comes in, and the first cells that it hits are the ganglion cells. Right here, ganglion cells. That's in red. Then it hits these cells, the bipolar cells. Then it hits what we call the photoreceptors. And the photoreceptors are made up of two kinds, rods and cones. Okay? Rods and cones. Now that's if you're looking at a cartoon. This is still a cartoon right here, but for the first time we get a microscopy picture. So right here are the ganglion cells, layer of bipolar cells, and then finally right here, rods and cones. So first ganglion cells, bipolar cells, and that particular picture is not always shown. Again, diagram goes across ganglion cells, bipolar cells, photoreceptors. 1, 2, 3. Again, ganglion cells, bipolar cells, photoreceptors. This is the picture that's often used in the lab test and is the one that I'm putting here for you. Here are your ganglion cells, this is pink right here, bipolar cells, darker red right here, photoreceptors, red right there. So it goes these three guys right here. And of course you need to make sure that you know this is the optic disc, the blind spot. Here's the blind spot. That last photograph, poorly labeled because you can see there are receptors right here, and there's not supposed to be any receptors right there. Here are the receptors right here, the ganglion cells, the bipolar cells, and then but as you can see, no receptors there. That's your blind spot. And we don't have to do any ear stuff. So there is your microscopy of cells, cross-section of the eye. That's it.